guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Pragya, aka Glam by Pragya. If you are new to my channel, hi, hello, and to all of you, happy new year 2021, and I wish that all of you guys can have a really great year, because what we had in 2020 was the worst, but we are hoping that this year we can at least see some good happening in our lives, right? The last video I posted was on 31st December, and after that I was completely shut. I was really busy. I couldn't actually come up and film a video, so I have lots of product to review. If you mainly like skincare videos, make sure you hit the red subscribe button to join my glam squad, where I talk about makeup, beauty, hair, and anything that will make you look glam. Today I am going to be talking about a brand that I have never spoke about before, and it is completely new in my collection also. So as you know by the title, I am going to be talking about the Klairs freshly juiced vitamin drops and the Klairs freshly juiced vitamin E mask. So I have this both right in front of me, and I have been trying them since December, and I was actually trying it for a very long time to make sure I give better review or better knowledge about how, because these two are really pricey, so you should know really well enough. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just get rolling. So I actually got this duo one. I got it from Limsy. I will put the link down below. Obviously in Nykaa and in it was out of stock, but there are many other brands like Beauty Barn, Macron, and Limsy. They were selling also, so I got it from Limsy. And I also remember I got a Klairs hydrating sheet mask, and they gave it to me free. Anyways, coming to the product, so I actually got this duo because it was very convenient, because I was getting a full size vitamin C serum and a small version of the Klairs freshly juiced vitamin E mask, which was like I wanted to try out. Into the first product that I wanted to talk about is the Klairs freshly juiced vitamin C serum. So now this is a pure vitamin C serum, and it has centella acetica extracts and hybrid stabilization technology. So now the Klairs vitamin C serum contains 5% of pure vitamin C extracts. So mainly it has 5% of vitamin C serum, and it has centella acetica extracts to, you know, make sure it works on sensitive skin, and it has stabilized L-ascorbic acid, mildly improved skin tone and texture without harsh irritation. And this also is a fragrance free product. It has no fragrance to it. So I would say that now coming to my thought about this product, when I heard about it, I was like, everything was really good, like the products, the ingredient, the idea, the thought behind this product. Because to be very exact, there are so many vitamin C serums in the market I have came across. Everybody has 20%, 30% of vitamin C serum. So there are so many people, including me, who are from a sensitive skin family and also has acne, who cannot use vitamin C serums because they are so highly formulated that it can irritate their skin, you know, and vitamin C serum usually can give you irritation. So coming to the point that Klairs kept that thing in mind, and with the combination of centella, that was a really thoughtful thing. Now coming to the packaging of this product, it comes in a plastic bottle. It is not a glass one, but it does looks like a glass bottle, but still they managed to make it look really sophisticated, and I really like the packaging. Even though the packaging is of plastic, but I still would say it looks very classy. Nobody will come and say that it is of plastic. It looks very high quality plastic. So now coming to the quantity you get 35 ml of this vitamin C serum. Usually in all brands we get 30 ml, but in this one with Klairs we get 35 ml, so that's a plus point. And The price of this, if you buy this individually, is somewhere around 1400 to 1500. The duo was priced at 1950, so around 2000. So you get two products in 2000 bucks. So now let's talk about the ingredients of the freshly juiced vitamin C serum. So the first ingredient is aqua, the second ingredient is propylene glycol, the third ingredient is ascorbic acid. So the main active ingredient is in the third place, so that is really good. Next, it contains hydroxyl cellulose, I think it's a solvent. Then it contains citrus junus fruit extract, another vitamin C ingredient. Next, it contains centella acetica extract. Then there are some vermouth fruit extract, citrus fruit extract. Then there are many other extracts which are really promising, and trust me, and it also contains folic acid. But at the end of the ingredients, I would put the ingredient list on my screen, but I would just say the ingredients look really promising, and I really don't find anything that is very conscious making or you should be conscious about. But I would like to say one thing, that comparing with other vitamin C serum, this is very much stable, and this is something that I would say it won't actually sensitize your skin, or you won't feel too much of irritation, because it was formulated in that way that it is not gonna irritate your skin or something like that. It has a very good oil formulation, like it is oily, but it is again not that oily. Like as I'm applying right now, massaging it onto my skin, it does feel oily, but after a few minutes I'm very sure that it will get absorbed, and after 10 to 15 minutes it's completely absorbed by your skin, and you will feel nothing, like no trace of oil, and your skin will be hydrated for a very long time. And also it gives a beautiful glow. Like I know vitamin C serums eventually gives you glow, it is for that purpose only, but this one just makes your skin like so glowy, like within. It won't make you like, okay, you are having an oil going on, that's why you're looking glowy, or you have a cream going on, that's why. No, it just kind of gets absorbed to your skin, and after that it automatically gives you an inner glow. Now this product you can apply at the morning and night both. It is something so mild, so gentle on your skin, and it is not that highly percentage, so you can easily apply it in the morning, but obviously you have to go ahead with the sunscreen. But if you're applying at night, make sure you apply a very good hydrating cream, and to make it, you know, giving it the. Another thing I would like to say lastly about this is that investing in some high-end skincare product, I know it is a lot of risk you're taking. Even I felt that, that's why I delayed so much. But I would say having a good knowledge about the product and then buying is really worth it. But still, it's on the skin type you have, but this is really good and really worked on my sensitive skin, and I had no breakout. Even I would like to say I had some few breakouts and bumps over here, a little bit of texture, and after applying this the next day morning, it dried them down completely. I don't know how, because it is not a acne clearing product, but I noticed that after using this, those texture and the bumps were completely gone, and I loved this product even more after that. So it is kind of my staple right now. Now coming to the freshly juiced vitamin E mask from Klairs. Now this is a very small and cute little mini I got. To be very honest, this is not a mask, this is a moisturizer, and I feel this is a magical cream. Now why it is a magical cream, I will just let you know in a minute. But now the main ingredient of this moisturizer is vitamin E, niacinamide, adenosine, I guess I'm pronouncing right, I don't know, for boosting radiance. And so now the Klairs vitamin E mask, this one also contains centella acetica, so it is again really good for sensitive skin. It depends on the level of sensitivity you have, because you know that differs from person to person and skin type to skin type, so that you have to keep it on your mind. Now why I say that this is almost like a magical cream, now why? Now this is how the inside looks like. Now why I call it a magical cream, like if you scoop out a little bit of this product, and after the usage of after you have used this product, it again settles down to this fine beautifully fine line, and as if it was never touched before. Like even after this is how the product actually looks like. It is like a gel base. Consistency is like it is holding a lot of water, so it is very runny but again very gel based. So this is how it looks, and it is really lightweight, guys. I'm not even kidding. It is really lightweight. See, as I said, it was looking like it is holding a lot of water. As you like apply it or massage it, it kind of dissolves to your skin. Looks like water, like as if you have just applied water on your skin, and it kind of looks like that. Not even kidding. Like see, not even kidding. Very slight bit of cooling sensation, and it makes your skin feel so relaxing. I cannot even say. But again, the best part of this is that it absorbs quickly. Now see, like I'm talking to you guys, right? And see, it is absorbed. It is gone. That water is gone. Like it is so fast absorbing, and this is something I would say I would 100% recommend, because it is so lightweight. It is so lightweight, and it absorbs so quickly onto your skin. Now this has a little bit of very soothing fragrance, not a very high fragrance. Now this product smells almost like Belief Aqua Balm, if I'm not wrong. If you've ever tried the Belief Aqua Balm, I have tried, I still have it, but it actually smells almost like that. But Belief Aqua Balm is way more stronger, and this is way more milder. That's all. So now if the question comes that is it worth buying or is it worth spending money, I would say yes, it is worth spending. If you haven't tried both of it, then I would say go for the trial kit. And if you want to try out this also, because you will get it on Nykaa in the small size, this combo is really so worth it, and it is so great. I love this one products because these are my most favorites right now, and I cannot stop raving about it. So that's why I would like to say that yay for this products. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like this video. If you subscribe, it would mean a lot to me. I would really appreciate your kindness. And that's it for today. I hope you liked it, and we'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Love you.